Alright, today we're going to be welding using a 5500 watt generator with a Briggs & Stratton motor on it, 220. The welder, it's a DR 150 amp 220 welder or 110. It comes with an adapter, so when you plug this plug in, you can go from that to plug right in your light socket. It only uses one leg off that. I made an adapter to plug in this generator, 100 amp dryer, and then your regular generator plug. Get that in there, turn it. One hand can't do it. Oh, that's a tight fit. Alright. We're going to run a bead with this so you can see how it works welding off a generator. Got everything set up. It's just going to be a little bead there. I'm probably going to run it at 100. This is 150 amp. That's all you need, honestly, for if you're welding with a stick. Let's get her fired up. That's where I'm going to be welding. I'll be good. Alright, let's see what we got. I could have turned it up a little more, but when you're trying to do this, you get what you get. Actually, that welded damn good. Any hotter would have made a mess. Now that was at 117 amp. It goes up to 150. I probably could have went about 120, 122. Why I can't get a good look at that. Sun beating on it. That's it. Welding helmet. It's auto darkening. eBay. 14. I think it goes up to shade 14. You can get that welder $130 or less shipped to the house, and they work great. Alright, that's it.